Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this tutorial video you will learn how you can add a comment to your tasks and projects in the Todoist project management application. So let us begin. So alright, let me launch the Todoist app on my Android phone. And what you want to do guys is navigate to the given task. So let us head over to the upcoming section so that I may see what tasks are on schedule for this week. So let us go with that one here, on a recurring basis. And what you want to do next, guys, is tap into the given task. And what you want to do next is simply tap into that field here at the bottom, add a comment, and that's it. You can leave a comment for that task, like for example, I don't know, nice task or something like that. Type it here using these letters below. Tap into that red arrow to the right icon to send it. And here to the left, guys, you will also see that paperclip icon, which gives you the opportunity to attach files to your comments like instructions, PDF files, images, and so on and so forth. If you'd like to delete your comment, guys, tap into these three dots here to the right next to your comment and select one of these options. Add a reaction if you'd like to react, delete it, edit it, or copy it. And that's it, guys. That's how you add a comment in Todoist app. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.